Hello, everyone. My name is Shamir. I am currently employed at a behavioral health hospital as an adolescent social worker. I work with adolescents from ages 12 to 17 who are experiencing anything from depression to anxiety, suicidal ideation, family issues, aggression. I also have past experience working with Child Protective Services as a social worker. And I have experience working with substance use individuals. I was employed as a case manager for drug court for the state of Delaware. I am also a certified alcohol and drug counselor. I really enjoy working with the adolescent population. Lately, I've noticed that more and more adolescents are experiencing issues with substance use, and there aren't many resources for them. Not many rehabs or individuals who treat adolescents for substance use. So my future goal is to hopefully one day open up a facility that caters specifically to adolescents and their substance use issues. Um, I really enjoy every class that I have done so far. The last class, research methods, really challenged me. For me, it was a really difficult class, and it pushed me to want to continue in this program and pursue my LCSW. I am looking forward to learning new things in this course, and I'm excited to see what the course has to offer and what I can learn, and what I can add to my educational background and information I already have. So good luck in the course, and I look forward to working with all of you.